Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Chill and Fill. Today we are preparing famous Chinese starter, that is Manchurian, using soya chunks. For that you need soya chunks. I have used mini soya chunks. You can use the larger version. I have soaked the soya chunks in water for almost 2 hours. If you don't have time to soak, then soak the soya chunks in hot water for 15 minutes. You will see the soya chunks have swollen and have become softer. Now squeeze out the water from the soya chunks and transfer to the bowl and keep it ready for marination. You would also need corn flour, Maida or all-purpose flour, ginger garlic paste, red chilli powder and salt to taste, spring onions roughly chopped. Then I have used head of the spring onions, capsicum, chopped garlic pods and green chillies. You would also need vinegar, red chili sauce, tomato sauce and soya sauce. Now let's start with the marination. Add corn flour, Maida or all-purpose flour, red chili powder, salt as per your taste and ginger garlic paste to the soya chunks. Combine all the ingredients well. Water is not needed as soya chunks contains water even after squeezing it out. But if you feel the flour is not sticking to the chunks, then you can sprinkle 1 or 2 tablespoons of water and mix well. Now heat a wok or kadai, add oil to it. I have used sunflower oil. You can use any oil that you prefer to. When oil is hot, add the soya chunks. Fry till soya chunks turns crispy while stirring occasionally. Soya chunk is always considered a healthier option compared to other Manchurian, that is gobi manchuri. Drain out the fried soya chunks and spread it on a kitchen towel or a tissue paper and keep it aside. Now in a large kadai, add oil. I have used same oil that was used for frying soya chunks. When oil is hot, add chopped garlic pods, green chillies and saute for around 2 minutes. Now add onions, head of the spring onions, saute well until onion turns transparent. Now add green capsicum. Mix all the ingredients and keep stirring. When the onion turns transparent, add white vinegar, soya sauce, red chili sauce as per your spice level. Here I have added around 2 teaspoons, tomato sauce and salt as per your taste. Mix all the ingredients on a high flame and keep stirring. Now dissolve 1 tablespoon of corn flour in a half cup of water and add this mixture to the wok and stir and cook for around 1 minute until the gravy becomes thick. Now add the fried soya chunks to the wok and keep stirring. Cook for around 1 minute and this is finally done. Garnish the soya chunks manchuri with spring onions and serve hot. In today's recipes are listed in the description box below. That's for today's video guys. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Please do try out today's recipe. Give a thumbs up if you liked it and don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon below to receive the notification. Bye.